Good evening, teacher. My name is Jessica Alejandra Quintero, and this activity is what would have happened if. Okay, when I left school in 2010, it was not clear that I wanted to study. I was 16 years old. My friends were going to study at the university with the financial support of their parents. But my parents had many debts and could not support me. I was struck by dentistry, but it was very expensive. So my parents helped me with a dental mechanic technical who was going to help me pay for my dental career. I decided to start studying dental mechanics. However, every day I had to travel from Tocancipá to Bogotá. This was very expensive, in addition to all the materials needed for the technical. I was studying for a year, but I was not happy. However, I had to continue since my parents had invested money and trust what I was studying. I was just finished my second semester, but I couldn't continue like this because I was sad and it was more of a comment to them. Teacher, have you ever felt that? And I decided to speak to my parents one day. They were furious and very disappointed in me. But I told them how I felt and they were understanding with me. It was painful for me to have disappointed my parents with the news and to know that this was my responsibility. This experience marked me because it taught me to value things and to be more independent. Okay, this situation taught me to analyze well to make decisions. However, after 1 year of being without studying something, I decided to study logistic administration at Manuela Beltrán University after having researched and looking at various options. This has been the best decision I have made because today I am already finishing my career. I am already working in the field and I feel very happy about my life today. After having told the story, I will have analyzed better what I wanted to do in my life, what I liked, how I wanted to see myself in the future, and value everything that my parents gave me with love and effort, in order not to have a rate with the career he had chosen. Okay, teacher, thanks.